Hello everyone, and welcome to a video that I never thought that I'd be making, especially if you'd asked me 5 years ago or something. But here we are, and the title is true. Yes, I am selling the Mustang. It is leaving today. Honestly, it's getting picked up in about 20 minutes. So I gotta make this quick. But yep, it's going. And I really never thought that this day would come, but I never thought that I'd go without a Mustang. But you know, priorities change and life changes, and here we are. But this has been such a faithful car, and I cannot reiterate how much the 3.7 Mustang in general has influenced my life, and how much Mustangs have influenced my life, how much this car has meant to me, and all the memories that I've made with it, and of course the memories that I made with my blue one. It's been 12 years that I've had a Mustang. You know, my blue Mustang was pretty much my first car, and it's been a wild ride and a great ride. But as most of you may know, I bought a Tacoma a couple of years ago. That became my daily driver. I bought it for work purposes, and also so that I could start off-roading and camping, and that part of my life has just absolutely bloomed. I didn't realize how major that would become, especially the camping. I mean, I've taken that Tacoma all over the country at this point. It's been to Colorado many times, and I've had it for 3 years. It's been to Colorado maybe 6 times or 5 times, something ridiculous. I'd have to look back, but it's really opened my eyes to new experiences and seeing the world. And unfortunately, you can do a lot of stuff with a sports car. You can go to a lot of places, but not as many places as you can go with a 4x4, let me tell you. And so the Tacoma just really has become such a big part of my life. I drive it every day. It's my daily driver. I drive it for work. I bought it because I kind of needed a pickup truck for work. I do freelance videography, and just having a work vehicle like that I can throw all my gear in the back of and just go, it makes life so much easier. I mean, working out of this thing was hellacious, just trying to fit gear in the trunk, and also I just felt bad for the poor thing trying to use this for work. You know, this isn't a work vehicle. This is a pretty show truck, and show car, and and yeah, I just wanted to take care of it, you know. So I bought the Tacoma, but then the Tacoma just became such a big part of my life, and unfortunately, it's just a new chapter that's, you know, taken over, and I really think it's time to consolidate. You know, I bought a used Tacoma. It's got 220,000 miles on it now, and this car has 100,000 miles on it, and it's just time to consolidate, get something newer. So my plan, well, maybe I won't spoil it, maybe I'll make a video, but I'm going to consolidate. I'm going to get a new vehicle, and I will show you guys that soon. But today we're focusing on the Mustang. Today it goes home, very sadly. Well, it goes away. But I do want to reiterate, this car has been such a big part of my life, such an important part of my life, and I love these cars. I love the 2013 Mustang, and I really hope to have another one of these one day, because it is just such a great car all around. It's affordable, it's got plenty of power, and it's so much fun to throw around in the mountains. And luckily, I was able to take it out to the mountains last weekend and enjoy it. Went for a drive with my dad, made a nice experience, and was able to kind of say farewell to this thing. But I also felt like I should make another video to update you guys and let you know that the car's going away. So, I mean, obviously I've been off of YouTube for a little while now, and it hasn't been quite such an important part of my life just because of what I do for work. I do so much videography. It's hard to also then do the same thing as a hobby. It's kind of why I dropped off of YouTube. This is turning into an update video now, I guess, but it's kind of why I dropped off of YouTube in the first place, because I started doing videography full-time once I graduated college, and so I just, you know, had to put my energy and effort into that. That's why I've been gone for about 2 years with a couple of videos sprinkled in here and there, like the review of my Tacoma that I did while I was in Colorado. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I guess I'm just going to keep this short and sweet. a little bit of a farewell to this car. Again, it has been such a great vehicle, and I feel kind of crazy letting it go because it, again, has just been such a big part of my life. But times change, and I'll keep making videos in the future, but I hope you guys like overlanding, off-roading content too. I'm going to still try to throw in some car reviews and do all the stuff that I've always done, but unfortunately my years with the Mustang are over. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me and enjoying the Mustang content. I mean, I love to see that all my 3.7 V6 Mustang videos still get so much traction to this day, even though I'm not that active on YouTube anymore. I appreciate everybody who watches them, everybody who, you know, participates and leaves comments and likes and gives their feedback and talks about all their cars. I promise you, I read every single comment that pops up, and I love to see it. I love to hear what you guys have to say, and keep it up. But for me, I guess, thanks, and I hope you've enjoyed following this Mustang's journey. It's been a great car. I'm very sad to let it go, but I know that somebody else will enjoy it. It is a manual V6 after all. And you know what, guys? It'll be on Carvana, most likely. That's who I'm selling it to. They gave me a strong offer for it. One that I'm definitely happy to be taking. It's very close to the private party value of the car, which was amazing to me. So I said, you know what, if you guys will pick it up and take it away, no problem. I'll let you do it. So that's what we're doing. Keep an eye out for it on Carvana. If you see this, hopefully you see this, and if you want a well-kept manual V6 Mustang, look for this one. I'm sure it'll look similar. I'm leaving the blue Mustang sticker on the dash. I don't know if that's something that they will take off when they go to refurbish it or whatever they do with it. But if you see it in the photos, of course, it's a gray car with the brown interior. You see it, pick it up. And if you pick it up, let me know, because I'd love to kind of keep up with it. But anyways, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.